The Supreme Court's peeling back part of its original McGirt ruling, now saying the state can prosecute tribal members and non-tribal members who commit crimes on Indian land. News 4's Ashley Moss is on the night beat with details about this. Ashley.
The question tonight, what does today's ruling mean for criminal cases initially dismissed by the state after that 2020 initial McGirt ruling? Experts telling me today the decision is not cut and dry, and it affects a tribal system that already governs itself.
How do we piece back together and make sure that we all are under one set of rules, regardless of our race?
For state officials who disagreed with that 2020 McGirt opinion, Wednesday's Supreme Court ruling was applauded, now giving states the power to prosecute non-Indians who commit crimes on tribal land.
The Supreme Court has said very clearly that the state can have jurisdiction over crimes committed by non-Indians in Indian country.
State Attorney General John O'Connor welcoming the decision, saying the ruling protects all Oklahomans. In a statement, adding, quote, "The Supreme Court recognized Oklahoman sovereignty and jurisdiction to prosecute non-Indians who commit crimes against Indians in eastern Oklahoma." Legal experts saying while the ruling was expected, future cases will require proof.
One, do they have any Indian blood? And two, are they recognized as an Indian by either a tribe or the United States of America?
Those cases now where the similar facts, where you have a non-Indian, an Indian victim committing a crime in Indian country, those convictions are all going to be upheld.
Also saying the path forward for other federal cases could cause confusion at first.
There will be some uncertainty as a result of this decision. I think the tribes and the feds and the state are now going to have to really work these jurisdictional issues out.
Cherokee Nation Chief Chuck Hoskin Jr. also released a statement today saying the court accepted the lawless disregard of the Cherokee's sovereignty, also saying the need to work together on behalf of Oklahomans has never been more clear.